The moon is an important part of a navigator's toolkit. It can be used to understand the tides, of course, and understanding the phase of the moon can help you understand how much light you will have on a night walk, for example. In terms of finding direction, it's really important to understand that we can do something quickly and roughly, or slowly and accurately. There is no fast, accurate natural navigation method for using the moon to find direction. The good news is there's a really fast, easy method for using the moon to get an approximate sense of direction. It's not perfect by a long way, but it is quick and it is easy. Whenever you see a crescent moon, just imagine a line that touches the horns of the moon and extend that down to your horizon. And in the northern hemisphere, you will be looking roughly south. It works best when the crescent is high in the sky, and the lower the crescent gets, the more rough the method, but it is quick and it is very helpful. You might be curious why the crescent moon method works. Well, what we find is that the sun is moving from east to west across the southern sky, and the moon is doing exactly the same thing. So they are moving in the same plane from east to west. And what that means is that when the sun and moon aren't in the same part of the sky, what we call a new moon, then the sun is going to be east or west of the moon. We know the moon doesn't emit any light of its own, so when we see the side of the moon lit up, that is the sun's light. And we know the sun is east or west of the moon, so that bright side is saying east or west is in that direction. And when we draw a line that touches the horns, that is at right angles to east-west. Anything that's at right angles to east-west is a north-south line, and because we're in the northern hemisphere, that is telling us we are looking south. In the southern hemisphere, we would be looking north, of course. There is a quite complex and more advanced method for using the moon to find direction. If we understand the relationship between time, moon and sun, we know what direction the sun is at any one time, and so we can work out what direction the moon is too. In truth, using this for every single phase of the moon takes a bit more practice and study than we're going to do in this course, but I can get you up and running. A full moon is full because it is opposite the sun. So a full moon rises as the sun sets, and a full moon sets as the sun rises. At midnight, we can't see the sun. That's because it's the middle of the night. The sun is actually due north, and a full moon will be due south. If you see half of the moon, the right half lit up, that is called a first quarter moon, and it means the moon is lagging the sun by 90 degrees. So if the sun is setting in the west, a first quarter moon will be close to south. If you see the left half of the moon lit up, that is called a third quarter moon, and that is 90 degrees ahead of the sun. So if the sun is rising in the east, then a third quarter moon will be due south.